It's Carl, man. Peace with the truckers. Keep it real. Leave comments and that down below in there, and hit the like button that for Britt there on her trucker channel here. And keep the rubber side down, shine side up, brothers. Take care. Bye-bye.
God, I cannot talk tonight. I think I spotted a spot on the other side, just past the big butted truck. Yeah, I think I see it down here to the right, past this big butted truck right here, that's trying to hide like a giant dinosaur. Although I see his butt sticking out. Okay, the only catch to this spot over here to the left now will be, is there a tractor in it? And that is one thing you always want to check for before you back into a spot, because it never fails. Like, it'll look like there's an open spot, and then there'll be like a tractor parked at the end. In this case, we're actually in good shape. All you gotta do is swing around. Why does my camera keep shutting off? Let's try this again. So what am I doing, you may ask? I am doing something very taboo.
Oh, bitch. Give a fucking five. Come on down there and show me your tits.
I never do, believe it or not. I usually don't stop and eat during my shift. That is one way that I stay skinny out here over the road. I intermittent fast. That's the name. Intermittent fast. I intermittent fast, so I don't eat during shift. I just drink coffee, like black coffee. That's all I have. So anyway, I have a routine doctor's appointment this morning. Tonight, to make sure that everything's like balanced out and my stats are good today, I am stopping in for a somewhat healthy snack at the Levs. Got here just the right time. It is just now starting to get busy for the morning. Okay, I'm back. I look exhausted and I feel exhausted. I am so tired this morning. Have you ever been so tired out here on the road where you go in truck stop and you go to get something to eat and they're like asking you, hey, do you want this? Do you want that? And you're like, yeah. That's how bad I was this morning. Oh my god. I seriously. And I got good sleep. Like I slept last night. I did. I swear I slept. Like 6 hours, but it wasn't enough. So anyway, you ready to see the list? Okay, we have Red Bull, no sugar. That's not for my blood sugar. Oh, fudge. Ice series. I forgot my orange juice. On with the list. I got a Red Bull. That's for energy. I got, for snack, pepper beef jerky. Not the healthiest thing in the world, but at the same time, it's some protein, right? And then tonight, for a meal, I got Subway. If you guys are ever by Joplin, Missouri, you guys have to stop by this Love's. They have one of those 24-hour Subways, and it's actually open 24 hours. Here's one thing that I absolutely love about this Subway in particular is they load the Subway with food. Like, they load it up. Because this Subway is owned by Love's. So you can actually take your chips, everything, drinks, everything from the store that you want to buy, everything except cigarettes, over to Subway, order your sandwich, and then pay for everything in one spot. It's really handy. I'm telling you guys, if you're near Joplin, Missouri, exit 27 on 71, north or south, you guys gotta stop in here. They just pile this stuff on. So freaking good. You know the other nice thing about this stop? Yeah, that's our other truck driver. He was right behind me. It's one thing I like about doing relays. Relays? No, not relays. Oh my god. I am so tired. I should not be talking. I should have duct tape on my mouth. Seriously. God. Convoying. Like, we have like 5 loads that come down here to Arkansas, right? So we're pretty well all following each other. So, by the way, if you stop in to get a Subway here, you may run into us. You'll probably run into one of us, I guarantee you. But yeah, you'll probably recognize him from the ghost hunting videos, everything else.
Short pain down the back of my neck right now. You found somebody that's going to challenge your ass. You can't come out and show yourself. Touch me, leave a mark on me, scratch me.
What the? Like something touched my leg. Yep, that is him. He doesn't see me. We're like a sniper. He better be happy we're on the right side. He looks like he's on a mission. He's like, I'm getting me a Subway. Or I have to pee. I can't tell which walk that is. I probably have the strangest, craziest pee walk. It's like a combination between a waddle and a full-out sprint while screaming and like chirping and making weird sounds, because it's like, I gotta go, get out of my way, people. Move, move, move. It's bad. It's bad. That's how I keep people away from my chips. Anybody approaches my chips, I'm like, she's freaking psycho. Psycho. Don't forget it. Ew, there he is. What's he got? I can't tell what he has. Looks like maybe a drink. I think he got a Subway. Anyway, I think it's time we hit the road. I got my jerky. I got my Red Bull. I'm ready to get these last few hours down the road so I can get home, get some sleep, get one more night of work over with, and then get some home time. I am desperately ready. Ooh, what does he have? Can we spy on him? Let's see. Is he gonna notice? I can't tell what he's got. told him I love you. I'm leaving him alone. God, I was supposed to text my boyfriend and I texted the truck driver. Yeah, I just go around telling everybody I love them.